Hello, and thank you for contacting us. Are you looking for property management services? Well, I think you've come to the right place. I'm Luther Ragsdale, broker CEO of Platinum Real Estate. We are a full service property management company. We can help you with all of your property management needs, hassle free, stress free. We take all of the stress out of it for you, so you can just enjoy earning and having a passive income. So we handle everything from tenant selection to 24-hour maintenance, financial reporting, everything from A to Z. And we guarantee all of our services 100% satisfaction guarantee. No long contracts. If you are not satisfied with our service at any time, you can always cancel. Now, I would love to personally talk to you in more detail about your investment property. You can schedule a free one-on-one consultation via Zoom by simply clicking on the link below, getting on my calendar, and I will personally talk to you about your investment property and our different services. At Platinum Real Estate, we have a 3-tier service. We do not just charge one property management fee. We have different levels, different services, because we believe no one service fits every investor. So I would like to talk to you about your different needs so we can get you into the right plan. Please click on the link. Link below. Schedule time on my calendar, or you can call or text 470-740-9300. That's 470-740-9300. I'm Luther Ragsdale. I would love to speak to you soon. Thank you, and may God bless you.